Hey, it's Julie Willits with you today from juliewillits.com. So today I'm going to discuss, does meditation really help? So there is now scientific evidence done with EEGs and MRIs of the brain that actually show the parts of the brain that light up when there is more energy, it's feeling pleasure. The same part of that brain lights up when people do drugs, which is really weird. So, does meditation help you? Well, we'll get to that subject in just a second. But first of all, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see my videos when they're ready and uploaded and you won't miss anything. So how does meditation help us? So meditation, the idea is, and it's gone back for many, many years, that whenever we're calm and we can free and declutter our mind and rid ourselves of all the many thoughts that go through and all the many words that travel through our mind constantly, this actually gives us getting rid of the clutter. So I've been reading Dr. Joe Dispenza's book of You Are The Placebo. Now he explains in great depth all the different things that we can actually have more control over our mind, over our thoughts, and we can actually do this through a daily meditation. And it opens up our mind to be more in the now moment. So I'm going to refer to Dr. Dispenza as Dr. Joe. Just makes it a little easier for me not have to say his name over and over again. I am going to put some links in the description. There is a PDF that you can actually download the book. I don't know how much space that will take because it is rather a long book. And I will also put in there his guided meditation link for you to check out. So he says that anytime that we can quiet the mind, we become more conscious of what we're doing, how we're acting, how we're feeling. And the best time to actually do a meditation is either first thing in the morning or in the evening before you go to bed. Now, I find it a little difficult to do in the morning, as I've said on previous videos, but I like doing this in the evening because it really just kind of wipes everything out of your brain right before you go to sleep. So to me, it feels like I'm getting a more restful sleep because, okay, Dr. Joe also suggests that when you first start doing meditation, that you should do it in separate parts. And in his book, he has different outlines of what section 1 is, section 2, and then section 3. And he says for you to actually practice it and get it going into your routine in your life, then you would probably want to start with section 1, do it for perhaps 7 days in a row, and then go from there. So to put it in my own words of when I have gone through Dr. Joe's guided meditation, it has kind of taken me to this feeling, and I don't know if you've ever experienced it, where you're actually like kind of daydreaming and your mind is kind of free and you don't feel anything coming at you, and you're just kind of like almost trance-like when you do that little daydream thing. And you kind of feel like a warm and fuzzy feeling with the daydream as you're kind of like in this elated state. The same thing happens in meditation, but with the meditation, uh, this actually seems to last longer than your basic daydream. And you feel elated, and you feel kind of energized from all these different forces that you're connecting with. So, what I have discovered since then, that since I have started doing this meditation, um, I can actually, like when I feel the anxiety and stress coming into my day, or starting to worry and fret about different things, I can actually tap into that feeling that I had during the meditation, and it's able to like calm me down, bring me back into where I need to be, so I do not have those negative feelings taking over my mind, my body. And it really has helped me because, everybody has stress and anxiety and environmental things coming at them. You just don't know what's going to happen on a daily basis. So if you can incorporate this into your daily routine, give it a shot. I mean, it's not going to hurt by any means. It's something that you're going to have to get accustomed to. It's not a normal phase of something you would do on a daily basis, but I think it's worth a try and see where you go from there. And take a look at the book. There's so much information in there. It's kind of some of it's very relatable, and then some of it is just at a higher level, since he is a chiropractor and he has gone on to do further training regarding this quantum meditation and how everything affects the brain. And he does speak it all over the world, and he does have a YouTube channel. He does have a Facebook page, Instagram page, that if you wish to follow him, you can do so. So I hope that gives a little bit more insight about meditation, how it will help you, regardless if you have a business, if you don't have a business, if just going through life and you want to try and make a change, but you just haven't quite figured out how you're going to go about that. So I will see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell. All right, bye now.